I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario on flute only way. Begin by isolating the opening motif and play it slowly with a metronome at a steady tempo to lock rhythm and pitch. Work on small sections, repeat each phrase 10 times, and prioritize relaxed breath and consistent tone. Use a tuner to confirm pitch and gradually raise tempo only when the phrase feels secure and effortless. Warm up with long tones, then focus on articulation patterns used in video game melodies to match the playful style of Super Mario. Practice slurs between adjacent notes and crisp, tonguing on leaps to keep the tune lively. Pay attention to dynamics. Small crescendos make motifs sing, while softer returns create contrast. Keep sessions short and focused to build muscle memory and avoid tension in the lips and shoulders. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. On another note, quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading sheet music and practice notes easy when you are on the go, and it fits nicely on a music stand for casual practice. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Establish a simple daily routine: 10 minutes of warm-ups, 15 minutes on tricky phrases, and 10 minutes on full runs of the melody. Use a metronome, start slow, and only speed up when accuracy is stable. Recording yourself reveals small timing or tuning issues you might miss while playing. Rotate focus areas each day so breath control, articulation, and rhythmic stability all improve in balanced ways without burning out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.